Good morning everyone. Welcome to a new video here on Let's Walk Around Stockholm. Another day, another walk. But no, it is not an ordinary day today. Winter has arrived, yes. And not just because it's December, but as you can see, there's snow. This morning when I woke up, 6 o'clock, I saw the snow and I was like, all right, I have to share this with all of my subscribers. So yes, the first snow was fallen. It is 7:30 in the morning right now. And I'm loving it. It's really like a beginning of the new season. Like officially, I think the winter starts December 1st. So timing is great. I mean, we had a little bit of snow a few days ago or a week ago, but that didn't really stay. And this is like the first time the snow really stays here. So I'm just here in Solentuna, and I didn't want to go anywhere today. I just want to capture the moment of the first snow. You should have seen my kids this morning when I woke up. They opened the curtains and they were like, snow, 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 snow. So we were super early out. Already like 6:30. We went out, played with the snow, and yeah, it was wonderful. So let's go into this neighborhood and let's see if people already put on some Christmas lights and we can capture some of the atmosphere. Not really here, because here is some new construction. They're building some new houses, but we'll go a bit more into the neighborhood and see what we can find. It's also quite nice sometimes just to walk somewhere, you know, not to always have to take the train and all that stuff. Other construction workers already working in the cold here. That cannot be super easy. Working in like -degrees and carrying icy stuff. I really like it. The kids always get really like happy in the snow, playful, running around, throwing snowballs at each other, things like that. So it's really cool. All that kind of stuff. Hey. And I must say, for the first night of snow, it was quite a lot as well. It's not just a few flakes, but really a nice layer of snow. I would say it's like 2-3 centimeters. And on Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, it will snow, as it seems anyway. Hey. I've been living in Solentuna for about 5 years now, and I really feel at home here in this area of Stockholm. It is not like city, but it is also not countryside, you know what I mean? It's like somewhere in between. It's really nice. Oh, I got some Christmas decoration already here. Nice and quiet early in the morning. So yeah, here you have a lot of those big houses. And if you're wondering, no, I do not live in one of these. I live in an apartment on the other side of the tracks. It's nice with the Swedish flag like that. And yes, I got gloves today. For those wondering. Nice little playground, I think, in between here. Yeah. It is not as cold as it was yesterday. I'm not really sure how cold it is, but it's probably around -3. Like usually, the closer to 0 degrees it gets, the more likely it is to snow. I don't really know why, but when it's -10, -15, it's usually a bit too cold. So the best temperature for like, you know, a bit of a fluffy kind of snow vibe is, yeah, somewhere around -2, -3. I think that's at least the feeling I have. I'm not really sure if it's true, but I don't know if you see it, but in the window there upstairs, you see one of those candle thingies, triangle. Almost all Swedish people have those. See them everywhere. So this is the little playground here with a table tennis table and the basket and a little football pitch. This is usually where I go with my children to play. It's a really nice area. All the kids of the neighborhood come here. Yesterday I saw 3 deers here, like walking here in the morning. I think it's slightly too late to spot them today. Hey. Like they go through the gardens here to look for food. Some really beautiful houses here. I really like it. Everything looks slightly better when the snow has fallen, I think at least. Meanwhile, the sun is going up. I know, what's it called again in English? Yeah, sunrise. My brain's not really working yet, it's too early. I literally just woke up, went outside and took my camera. So for those people that always look on the map, we are at Klövervägen and Transformatorvägen. Let's go this way. Although I live super close to here, I never really walk here. I don't really have anything to do here usually, but I thought today is the day. The Winter Wonderland video. I wonder how I should call this video. Maybe winter has arrived, something like that. Hey. Some of these houses are massive. Still hoping for a little deer to show up in my video, but so far, no luck. I actually have so much time left today. Now I'm not actually taking the train into the city. So now the snow has arrived. I would say it's almost time for the Christmas lights. And oh, I don't know if you can see where there's a snowman on the balcony there. Yeah, so the Christmas light videos and the Christmas market videos, because for me those only make sense when it's snow and when it's dark, because filming those when it's not really the right conditions doesn't make any sense to me. Alrighty, I think that's it for today from Winter Wonderland here in Stockholm. Thank you for watching, and tomorrow we're back with a regular video.